In this video, I'll show you how Trip.com flight bookings work. So there's nothing too complicated here. You set up your flight, make payment, and they will send you a flight ticket or an e-ticket as they call it. And you use this booking reference to check in online through the airline's website or app. So here's how you actually book. So what you're going to do is on Trip.com's website, which is, well, Trip.com, you'll want to go to the flight section. You then want to choose round trip, one way, multi-city, non-stop. I'm going to choose one way for this example. Let's choose where we're leaving from and where we're going to. Then let's choose our dates. And then we need to choose the amount of people and if we are flying economy, premium, so forth. And then just hit search. And here it's going to show us all our available options, as well as giving us tons of filters on the left-hand side, so you can filter out whatever you want. When you find one, just hit select. Now again, it's going to give you some options. We'll just go with the recommended one here and hit continue. And here is where we fill in all of our personal details and contact details. From there, we're just going to choose our seat, personalize the trip, and then finally we are going to make payment. And then you'll get your e-receipt, which you can use as your booking reference. Again, this doesn't have to be done online. You can also do it through smart check-in if it's on an eligible flight, or at the airport you can go to the check-in counter or the self-service kiosk just to check in. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.